Hello friend, welcome back on my channel. In this Excel video, I am going to show you how you can change your background color of Excel sheet. So I want to change a background color of the sheet. For this, click on page layout and click on background. There are three options: from a file or search or your personal. I want to from a file. Click on this and choose a background image from your PC. Now I want to add this image, so click on this and click insert. My text not clearly readable, so I want to change its font color. Go to home and click on font color and change it to white. So it's looking good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video and subscribe my channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.